Hi guys, I'm Norman. It's Wednesday and we're going to keep going. It's been a couple of days since I came out in the shed here. So we're going to keep going on these crosses. There's a variety of them here, different ones. Same nails, but just a different look, different materials. So I'm going to be welding these together. I'm going to make some with brass. I have some brass rods here, and this is silver. I usually make everything out of silver just to give it more value, I guess. So here we go. I lined these up already, cleaned them up good. You can use flux if you like, but there's already flux on this rod, so you don't need any. But if you're using copper or even the brass rods I'm using, they're covered. But if you're going to use some pure copper like this, then you need flux, and then you need to be pretty skilled to weld copper on copper. So we're doing this with silver. You'll see the color change to white. I lined up two of them here. They shouldn't move because you shouldn't have to touch them. The silver will melt on there on its own once it reaches that temperature. Like I said, the flux goes on by itself. Depending on where you want to put some of this, I usually cover the whole thing. I missed you guys. I don't come out here often enough. I live by myself. I have nobody around here with me, so you're my only buddies, which I love. Me and Jesus. There you go, guys. There's two of them. A couple of these I'm going to wrap a piece of round right around it, like I did with these.